Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel! Hi! Hello! Kumusta kayo? I hope you're doing fine. Ayan, naka-makeup na ako because I just finished filming ng aking review with Vice Cosmetics brushes. Eto. So if you would like to know my thoughts about Vice Cosmetics brushes, press here para at least ma-visit nyo and makita nyo kung ano yung thoughts ko about their new brushes. Well, for today's video, guys, I'm so excited because I will be reviewing and doing swatches of the Squad Cosmetic Multi-Purpose Lip Creams. Ayan. So, I have all of the shades here. So, binili ko ito because they already... Ayan. Paganyan na lang. So, binili ko ito because Squad Cosmetics is already selling this in sets, yung full set. So, binili ko siya so that I could test all of the shades and see kung maganda ba siya. For today, ito yung i-review natin. And we were gonna test this out sa ating lips, sa ating cheeks, sa ating eyes. So, as what you can see, I have something on my lips. So, buburahin natin yan. With my cheeks, meron na akong konting blush and highlights. So, titingnan natin if this is still blendable on top of powder. And sa ating eyes, let's see kung ano siya, kung paano siya mag-work sa ating pagmumukha. But before anything else, if bago ka lang sa channel na to, don't forget to hit on subscribe because this channel is fun and marami tayong pag-uusapan sa channel na to ng mga kakayan, makeup, anything girly and kikay na stuff. Meron yan sa channel na to. So, mag-subscribe ka na. Also, guys, this channel, very galante po ako because I am conducting giveaways from time to time. And being said that, I'm so excited because I will be giving 3 shades of these lipsticks to all of you guys sa inyo na nanonood right now. So, basically, I am conducting a giveaway because dati pa man, I'm such a fan of Squad Cosmetics na. So, I bought 3 of these shades. So, meron itong sobra. So, yung sobra, hindi ko ito bubuksan. Yung tatlong meron na ako because I already have it there. Then, ipapag-giveaway ko ito sa inyo. So, there will be one winner of 3 shades. 3 lipstick kasi meron akong 3 shades nito. So, 3 lipsticks yung ipamimigay ko sa inyo, guys. So, if you would like to know the mechanics and the criteria for judging the mechanics for this giveaway, then stay tuned because I will be telling you that. Maybe sa gitna ng video, maybe sa last secret. So, yun lang. Just watch the entire video para alam nyo kung ano yung mechanics sa ating pag-giveaways. So, without any further ado, let me just remove my lipstick and let's test this out na! Guys, this is actually sold for 1,299 pesos. But I was able to get this for around 1,000 na kasi meron akong vouchers sa Shopee. So, this is available in Shopee and in Lazada. Yung maganda dito is nakamura ka na because when I actually computed, kasi meron ibang brands na nagbebenta sila ng set but mas napapamahal ka due to the packaging kasi meron silang extra mga packaging. So, medyo mas napapamahal ka. Dito, mas makakamura ka, girl, because each one of these is only sold for 149 pesos. Napakamura. But if you're going to buy it in a set, you get 11 shades for only 1,299. So you do the math. Basically, mas nakamura ka dito ng few hundreds. Kaya ginab ko na yung opportunity to get this set. So before I tell you my thoughts and everything, let me just show you the lips swatches. know you're excited with the giveaway mechanics. So yung giveaway mechanics is very simple, very easy, very simple lang. First is to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to make sure that you're subscribed and click on the notification bell para updated ka once I announce the winners for this giveaway. So after mo mag-like and subscribe, go ahead and like my Facebook page, which is Maria Aya Versosa. And I would like you to follow me on Instagram too, which is heraianess 19. So after mo pag-follow, mag-comment ka dito sa baba why you need to win this giveaway. And also in my Instagram account, you could see there my picture with caption of giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. And I just would like you to comment there the 3 shades na makukuha nyo in this giveaway. So, malalaman nyo siya later, yung 3 shades na makukuha nyo in this giveaway. So yung 3 shades na yon, I would like you to comment that down doon sa post ko sa Instagram and tag 3 friends. Every comment on that specific post will give you 1 entry. So, the more comment, the more chances of winning. So, every comment, you should have 3 different people that needs to be tagged. So, again, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Second, follow me in my social media accounts, which is in Facebook, Maria Aya Versosa, and heraianess 19 in Instagram. And lastly, comment down to that specific post that I said, giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. And make sure to comment there the 3 shades that you will be receiving in this giveaway and tag 3 people. Announcement of winners will be at this specific date, so stay tuned lang kayo guys. Alright, so those are the lip swatches ng 11 shades na ito and napagod yung lips ko. Ang hirap-hirap. Because naka-braces ako, every time na nag-wipe ako, para nakikis-kis yung braces dito sa lips ko. Masakit siya. Ayan, so nakaya naman natin. So basically, the 11 shades are all done. Yung suot ko ngayon, this is bubbly, in the shade bubbly. Out of 11 shades, alam nyo ba, na 4 lang yung shades na hindi ko nagustuhan and the rest, super bet ko, super love ko that I can definitely use. Kasi itong 4 na shades na to, I just don't like how bright they are. Like, sobrang bright, sobrang orange, sobrang pink. Parang sobrang bright niya para sa akin, in my own taste. Yung mga shades na hindi ko nagustuhan is yung Sunny, Fancy, and yung Jolly and Apple because parang napaka-bright niya. Itong Apple, bright orangey. Ito naman, bright pink. This one, medyo bright pink. Itong dalawa, medyo bright na mga nudes. Yung hindi ko nagustuhan. And the rest are the things na bet ko. Especially itong Radiant. Ito si Radiant, super bet ko to. And also, meron pa yung red. Yung Mary, ito yung super bet ko din. Jovial, ito, gusto ko din yung pagka-pink niya. Subtle pink, parang Barbie pink lang. Actually, halos lahat. And itong suot ko ngayon, si Bubbly. So, basically, 7 out of 11 yung bet kong mga shades. These are all good for everyday. And so, as what you can see, ito transfer yung product sa kamay ko. So, basically, you can't expect it to be long-lasting. Sa halagang 140 pesos or 149 pesos, it's already sulit na. Considering na 3 use na siya, pwede siyang sa eyes, sa cheeks, and sa lips. So, being said that, subukan natin siya sa eyes muna. For the eyes, I want the pink one. So, I'm gonna try Jovial in my eyes and see kung ano yung effect niya sa ating eyelids. So, you can see, very blendable siya. Yung texture niya is para siyang oil. In it na super glidy, very smooth. Yung application sa lips and also sa eyelids. So, yung isa, lagyan ko lang muna. Ayan. So, kung makita nyo dito, this is very intense kasi dinamihan ko yung product. But, dito, hindi ko siya masyadong dinamihan. Very konti lang yung nilagay ko because I would like to know if this is buildable. So, try natin i-build up yung kulay and see if hindi ba siya mag-crease and everything. Very buildable naman yung product sa eyelids. Yun nga lang, as what I can see, medyo oily siya. Parang pawis tingnan yung lids mo, but it's not bad. So, that is how it looks like sa ating eyelids. As what you can see. Now, let's try it sa cheeks. Well, kanina nakapag, na ako blush, but as what you can see, parang na-washed off na yung blush na suot natin kanina. So, let's try to add, and let's see if buildable pa din siya on top of powder. So, yung gagamitin ko sa blush is Gleeful. I'm gonna try Gleeful in my cheeks. Nilagay ko muna siya dito sa back of my hand, like so. Then, I'm gonna like add it paunti-unti. Well, so far, it's very blendable naman. So that is how it looks like sa aking cheeks. So as what you can see, parang cloud paint, yung cloud blushes, na parang ina-absorb siya ng skin mo. Kasi parang natural flush of color lang yung ginawa niya sa aking cheeks, which is nice! Actually, this is the very first time na ginamit ko siya sa cheeks. Because even though meron akong 3 shades, sa lips ko lang talaga siya ginamit. So I did not try it sa cheeks. So na-shocked ako because as what you can see, parang skin lang siya. It blends into skin really nicely. And aside from being buildable, it also blends seamlessly. So, ang bilis niyang i-blend sa cheeks, which is nice, which is lovely. So, yan. So, this is how my face looks like using the multi-purpose lip cream. Well, let me just tell you my thoughts about this product. So, ano nga ba yung thoughts ko sa product na to? Is it gandang kaaya-aya, gandang carry lang, or gandang kaayaw-ayaw? Basically, for its price and how it is actually looking at right now, I must say, this is gandang kaaya-aya! Because, first and foremost, napakaganda ng shade ranges niya. Napakaganda. I love almost all of the shades. These are all in neutral shades. So, mas magagamit mo siya in everyday use. Also, very blendable yung formula niya, which is also nice. And also, kanina sa lip swatches, kung makita nyo, meron siyang shine ng kaunti. But right now, as what you can see, nag-set na siya into parang powder matte. So, meron siyang powder matte finish. Yung downside lang niya is mabilis siyang matanggal. Hindi siya ganun ka-long lasting, especially sa lips. But, considering its price, you can always reapply and reapply it. In terms of scent naman pala, the scent is parang coconut, yung parang cocoa biscuits, parang ganun. So, parang ganun yung scent niya, which is also a very nice scent naman. Hindi siya yung usual fruity scent. Hindi ka magsisisi if you're going to buy all of the shades because every day you can really alternate these. These are all blendable and you can use it to your cheeks, to your eyes, which is nice. That's all I have to say. With Squad Cosmetics, hindi pa talaga nila ako pinapalya in terms of their products. So, I'm just so happy that I tested this and tried this. And also, be able to share these 3 shades to you guys. So, yung shades na i-share ko sa inyo is Blythe. Ayan. So, you can see meron pa yung packaging, okay? Blythe, Radiant, tsaka Jovial, because these are the 3 shades that I bought initially bago lumabas yung kanilang sets. Yung 3 shades na yun yung makukuha nyo sa giveaway. So, if you like this video, guys, don't forget to hit on like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell para updated ka sa bawat uploads because I upload 2 to 3 times a week. Yun lamang, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and see you guys all in my next video. Bye!